Greetings everyone. Let's start with today's topic, microeconomics. The contents we're going to cover today are definition marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility states that as consumption increases more and more, marginal utility will be less. It also states that all else equal, as consumption increases, the marginal utility derived from each additional unit declines. The utility is an economic term used to represent satisfaction or happiness. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that all else equal, as consumption increases, the marginal utility derived from each additional unit declines. Marginal utility is the incremental increase in utility that results from the consumption of one additional unit. Utility is an economic term used to represent satisfaction or happiness. The marginal utility may decrease into negative utility as it may become entirely unfavorable to consumer, another unit of any product. Understanding the law of diminishing marginal utility. The marginal utility may decrease into negative utility as it may become entirely unfavorable to consume another unit of any product. Therefore, the first unit of consumption for any product is typically highest, with every unit of consumption to follow holding less and less utility. Consumers handle the law of diminishing marginal utility by consuming numerous quantities of numerous goods. What is an example of diminishing marginal utility? Diminishing marginal utility is the decline of enjoyment from consuming or buying one additional good. For example, a consumer buys a bag of chocolate. After one or two pieces, their utility rises, but after a few pieces, their utility will start to decline. With each additional piece that's consumed, eventually, after enough pieces, will likely result into negative equity. Demand curves are downward sloping in microeconomic models since each additional unit of a good or service is put towards a less valuable use. Marketers use the law of diminishing marginal utility because they want to keep marginal utility high for products that they sell. Assumption of law of diminishing marginal utility. Rational consumers. It requires consumers to behave rationally. They should make rational decisions at all times. The law assumes that consumers are trying to maximize utility at all times, subject to their incomes. Continuous consumption. This assumption is very important for the law to hold true. It means that consumer is continuously consuming every additional unit of the good. There should not be intervals between the consumption of additional units. Standard size of units. The size of every unit should be standard. If a person drinks half of a glass of water, drinking another half of glass after it might not diminish the utility since he has not yet derived the total utility from consuming a full unit of the product being consumed here. Reducing the size of unit consumed is not consistent with the law of diminishing marginal utility.